Nagsalita na ang biological mother ni Chloe San Jose sa gitna ng maingay na hidwaan ng content creator at pamilyang Yulo. Kamakailan lang, nagkaroon ng exclusive interview sa isang media website ang ina ni Chloe na si Marie, sa pamamagitan ng kanyang legal counsel at spokesperson na si Attorney James Mark Pedroni Ciudadano. At dyan ay isa-isang nilinaw ang ilan sa mga kumakalat na isyo, bilang nadadamay na rin mismo ang nanay ng vlogger, pati na rin ang mga kapatid nito sa ina. Ayon sa lawyer, hiwalay ang mga magulang ni Chloe, na kung saan ay may kanya-kanya na itong pamilya. Kasunod niyan ay itinanggi ni Marie ang chikang isa siyang labandera at nakakulong. Ayon sa kanya, siya ay isang Australian citizen na nagtatrabaho sa Aged Care Services. Kinumpirma rin ng legal counsel na hindi naging maganda ang relasyon ni Chloe sa kanyang ina. It is true, even before Carlos and Chloe met, my client Marie and Chloe already were having a difficult relationship due to the difference of ideas regarding parenting over the minor than Chloe, say ni Attorney James sa panayam. Kwento niya, the gap started as I said Chloe was a minor then. A few years before reaching 18 years old, she was insisting on her way, and my client retaining her Filipino values, being a protective mother and having the best interest of Chloe in mind, did not agree, consequently the frequent clash of ideas led to the gap. Kahit daw nagkasamaan ng loob ang dalawa ay hindi naman daw ito humantong sa demandahan. Regarding the alleged case filed by Chloe against my client is not true, Chloe did not file any case against my client, sambit ng lawyer. Nang tanungin naman siya kung ano ang reaksyon ni Marie kaugnay sa isyu sa pamilyang Yulo, lalo na si ina ng two-time Olympic champion na si Carlos. Marie, her mother, for the longest time decided to keep quiet to keep the peace, and not be dragged into the issues. However, due to the multitude of posts that contain misinformation and images of her minor children, being posted online without her consent, has deeply troubled and affected her and her family emotionally, wika ng spokesperson ng ina ng content creator. Patuloy pa, we cannot comment on the matter, since Chloe was already an adult during that time, and it is between Chloe and the family of Carlos Yulo. And since as mentioned above, my client had limited interaction with Chloe this past few years. At dahil nga nagsalita na ang ina ni Chloe, at isinapubliko ang nangyari sa kanila, dito na nga nagkaalaman, na masama talaga ang ugali ng dalaga. Ayon sa mga netizens, kahit nga raw sa mismong ina nito, ay hindi maganda ang kanilang relasyon, how much more umano sa nanay ni Carlos Yulo.